Have you ever watched an English movie and felt lost because of subtitles? Imagine watching movies without reading anything and understanding almost everything. You can do it. Hello, everyone. I am Leo Darren, and welcome to Leo English Channel. Today, I will show you how to understand English movies without subtitles. Many learners struggle with movies. They say, "I cannot understand fast speech," or "there are too many unknown words." I was like that too, but with the right steps, anyone can understand English movies naturally. Step 1. Start with simple movies. I started with movies for children or simple comedies. They have slow speech and simple words. For example, Finding Nemo, Toy Story. I watched them many times, listening carefully to words and sentences. Step 2. Watch with subtitles first. The first time, I watched with English subtitles. I read and listened at the same time. This helps connect sounds with words. Step 3. Listen carefully. I focused on listening, not reading. I tried to catch main words, repeated phrases, expressions, and emotions. Even if I did not understand everything, I tried to guess the meaning from context. Step 4. Pause and repeat. I paused difficult sentences and repeated them aloud. This helps recognize pronunciation and stress. Example: movie line. I can't believe you did that. I repeated, I can't believe you did that. Step 5. Note down new words and phrases. I wrote new words and expressions in a notebook. For example, phrase, "What a shame," meaning expressing disappointment. Word, amazing, very good or impressive. Step 6. Learn common expressions. Movies use many daily expressions. I focused on greetings. Hi, how are you? Requests. Can you help me? Reactions. That's awesome. Learning common expressions helps understand conversations faster. Step 7. Watch the same movie multiple times. I watched movies 3 to 5 times. First time, with subtitles. Second time, half with subtitles, half without. Third time, without subtitles. Repetition improves understanding naturally. Step 8. Focus on lip movements. I noticed how actors pronounce words. This helped me connect sounds with words. For example, going to sounds like gonna. Want to sounds like wanna. Understanding natural speech patterns is key. Step 9. Watch short clips first. Instead of long movies, I watched short scenes, 1 to 5 minutes. I listened carefully repeated phrases, and tried to understand the context. Step 10. Guess meaning from context. I did not know every word. I guessed the meaning from tone of voice, facial expressions, situations in the movie. Example. Character says, "I'm so tired." I know they are sleepy or exhausted. Step 11. Learn phrasal verbs and idioms. Movies are full of phrasal verbs and idioms. I wrote them down and practiced using them in sentences. For example, give up means stop trying. Look after means take care of. Step 12. Repeat dialogues aloud. I practiced speaking like actors. I repeated, "I can't wait to see you." You are my best friend. This improves listening, pronunciation, and fluency. Step 13. Use subtitles in your language later. If I still struggled, I checked my language subtitles to understand completely. But I always returned to English subtitles or no subtitles. Step 14. Watch different genres. I tried different types of movies: comedy, easier words and daily life, action, clear actions and dialogues, drama, emotional expressions. Different genres train different listening skills. Step 15. Speak about the movie. After watching, I talked about the movie with friends or myself. For example, the story is about a little fish. He wanted to find his friend. Speaking reinforces listening comprehension and memory. Step 16. Focus on repeated words. I noticed words or phrases that appear many times. For example, let's go, be careful, I don't know. These repeated phrases become automatic in understanding. Step 17. Practice listening outside movies. I also listen to podcasts, songs, and YouTube videos. This improved overall listening skills, which helps in movies. Step 18. Don't worry about unknown words. Even if I did not know every word, I focused on main ideas and emotions. Understanding the story is more important than every single word. Step 19. Watch with subtitles again after some time. After a few weeks, I re-watched movies without subtitles. I noticed I understood more and more every time. Step 20. Enjoy the process. Finally, I enjoyed watching movies in English. I laughed, repeated dialogues, and practiced daily. Enjoyment makes learning fast and natural. Remember, understanding English movies without subtitles is not magic. It is practice, repetition, and listening skills. Start with simple movies, short scenes, and repeated dialogues. Slowly, your ears and brain will adapt to natural English.